In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers and flatten image in Photoshop. By the end, you'll understand the difference between merging specific layers and flattening your entire document and how to do both cleanly and confidently. First, make sure you can see the Layers panel. If it's not visible, go up to the Window menu and choose Layers. This panel is where you'll control everything we're about to do. Let's start with merging only the layers you choose. In the Layers panel, select the specific layers you want to combine. On Windows, hold the Control key and click each layer you want. On a Mac, hold the CMD key and click each one. You'll see the selected layers highlighted. With those layers selected, right-click on one of them and choose Merge Layers. If you prefer menus, go to Layer in the top menu bar and choose Merge Layers. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+E on Windows or CMD+E on Mac. This action blends only the layers you selected into a single layer, leaving everything else untouched. It's a great way to tidy up parts of your project while keeping flexibility in the rest of your file. Now, let's talk about flattening your image. Flattening is a finalizing step that collapses all visible layers into one background layer. Before you do this, check the eye icons next to your layers and make sure everything you want to keep is visible. Hidden layers will be discarded when you flatten, so visibility matters here. When you're ready, go to the top menu and choose Layer, then Flatten Image. You can also open the Layers panel menu, that's the small icon with 3 lines, and choose Flatten Image from there. Photoshop will show a warning if hidden layers are about to be discarded. Review that message, and if everything looks correct, click OK to proceed. After flattening, you'll have a single-layer image that's simpler and often smaller in file size, which can be useful for final exports. A couple of notes to keep in mind as you work. Merging and flattening are destructive actions, meaning they remove the separate layer structure. If you need to backtrack, use Undo right away, or be sure you haven't saved over your layered version. Also, adjustment layers and effects become permanent once merged or flattened, so confirm your edits before committing. That's it. You now know how to merge selected layers for organization and flatten your image when you're ready to finalize.